Bruh.
Hey, traders. Welcome to episode something from space. Over 1,000 episodes, something. Just doing what we do every day, man, right? Go live and look at charts. Look for an edge on the markets, whichever market it may be. Real bad day for tech. Real bad, man. And the monthly is closed for the stock market. The monthly will close on Halloween for crypto tomorrow evening, about 26 hours away from your monthly candle close on Bitcoin, which will end up being what? Immaculate, man. A major bullish engulfing candle, as you can see in the spaceship. Here it is, man. Remember the 2.5 years of consolidation where you broke out in July, you back tested in August, you back tested in September, not just, whoa, look out! Look out! Good God.
Breaker. Captain, please take us to deep space, Tindy.
Oh, Smiley Face, thanks for the 420 contribution. The attack on my ship. My God, I forgot all about that, man. I have not practiced anything today. All my macros, all my stuff that I worked on, man. So thanks for that. But, yeah, dude, I don't know if you're out there and you're a newer viewer. Yeah, we occasionally do the spaceship stream. And, yeah, good stuff. So something very interesting going on, well, at least in a few days. So we're just looking at the monthly, right? Too long we've been consolidating. Stock market's just been going straight up and then straight down, straight up, right? This year you had the crazy V-shape, but now you're back below the February 2020 highs, which is scary. And then now Dow Jones broke some critical supports we're going to look at today. But so listen to this, man. All right, there's an article, I think Cointelegraph came out with we're talking about Bitcoin for a second before we go to the other screen. So we're 4 days away from Bitcoin being over $10,000 for 100 days for the first time ever, right? And so there's kind of significance for that 100-day period of the ones and the zeros, all right? So after staying above $10 for 100 days, it took just 122 days for Bitcoin and the US dollar to reach $100. After cracking 100 days above $100, did it just... Okay, after breaking above $100, where's the rest of the? I guess it's screwed up. Hold on, man. Let me go to this article real quick so I can get it. I thought I literally copy pasted that part. After cracking 100 days above $100, meanwhile 1,000 appeared in just 2 days. Looking at the difference between $1,000 and $10,000, the time period was longer, 150 days to crack 5 figures after trading at 4 figures for 100 days. So we're about to be that 100-day mark for 10K, or traders have never settled up below that in 100 days. I think that's pretty spectacular. I have no idea what's going to happen with that. These are just kind of Rudy Poo stats. They don't mean like what happened in the past is going to mean what's going to happen in the future. So don't read into it too much, but it's just an interesting stat. You always want to be rational here, okay? So let's just revel for a second that we've got 1 day, 2 hours until your bullish engulfing candle is confirmed. And if we get any kind of price action in this 1 day and 2 hours, which it could happen, man, hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. I mean, that's not a joke. We're going to look at this. But if you get a close on Bitcoin, this monthly close above 13,865 here, it would be the highest level where traders have settled up in the history of Bitcoin. That's been a known thing we've been talking about as we've inched closer and closer to the end of this month, where it's going to crescendo with a full moon, but not just full moon, a blue full moon. You get a blue moon when it's 2 full moons a month. Kind of makes sense in the last day, right? And it would be the first full moon on Halloween since 1944. So lots, and the election's coming up on Tuesday. A lot of craziness going on, right? So we'll shift gears, of course, to you know, the more, well, really, I don't know, dude, what's going to happen with the stock market if you don't get some help from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, right? I mean, I don't know, man. It's kind of triggering me a little bit. And you know what happens, man, when I get triggered here. So what is it? Oh, yeah, here we go. Jerome Powell, I call upon you.
We're not going to run out of ammunition.
Where are ammunition, man? Sorry.
Thoughts on a BTC triple top on the monthly and Wyckoff distribution, or am I reaching?
You're reaching for sure, dude. Triple top. I mean, sure, dude. If like, dude, but like again, you know, the argument is the breakout, the back test of not just the down sloping resistance, also the horizontal line resistance. The previous second all-time high where traders set it up was in June of 2019. You've broken that. You back tested those, and now you're confirming. The market participants are getting confirmation that both of those technical significant breakouts are very real, and you're just getting the break, hook, and go. So you can try to think about that all you want, and of course it could always play out, sure. But you don't want to be getting in the way of a break, hook, and go on the monthly, man. Break, hook, and go, right? So there are multiple types of breakouts, right? And they get stronger and stronger. So you get the breakout with candle close confirmation. All right, that's exactly what you got in July. That's okay. That's one form of breakout. The next form of breakout is the breakout and then the back test. All right, well, we got that. That's like your second strongest form. But then when you get the breakout and the back test, and then you get the engulfing the bullish engulfing candle after the back test, that is your strongest form of confirmation that exists. So, of course, right, the 13,865 has been plotted here for months for good reason, because we're now at it and we have not broken it. So if we get a break and we get a candle close above it, that would be a technical breakout, right? Where after that on the monthly, there's no resistance till 19,431. So, yeah, I mean, there's definite, like, you know, traders set it up December 2017, and then the traders got us high. Oh, look out!
Noise spaceship. Exhibit will be proud. Is the spin wheel in the ship active? If so, the spin will be noised as well.
Spin? I mean, I think we can make it happen. So I do have plans to go get a drink with a friend, an old friend from high school. We played sports together, and actually, Ninja Girl and me went to my old glory days, like, park where I played football and played, like, you know, Pee Wee baseball and all this stuff, and he was there, and he like shouts me out. I'm like, oh my god! And then we reconnected, and we're gonna go get drinks after stream today. So he might be watching. I don't know. What's up, Clay, man? Oh, Mountain Eagles, dude. All right, so and he's in finance, like big time finance, right? He's on the, you know, the Series 7 stuff. He's like this is financial advice. That's him. So. We're just going to go talk and hang out for a little bit afterwards. So, wheel spin, I mean, I guess we can try it, dude. You know, and if anything, maybe we get a pump this week and I come back if I owe anything. Let's see here. I don't know how I would do it. Let's go to the chart screen, okay? Okay, chart screen. So we just get a better view, man, right? This is technical analysis in space. It's pretty good. Let's go to the... Let's get out of log scale. Let's go to the 4 hour. Man, the parabolic run right now is just the Jesus, man. It's so good. It's like been respected so well, man. All right. You respected it, I guess, yesterday and today, man. Where it's just, oh, man, inching up at it, right? Where the acceleration of accumulation is so evident. And it could continue. Like, if you hold this, you just made one low and a slightly higher low. So, I mean, we're talking X, A, B, C, D stuff where you get a 1618. Oh, look out! Man!
94810 BTC.
Dude, stop, turn it off! Blood shields. Dude, Matt, thanks for the $94 and something. $94.49 of Bitcoin adding to those bags, man. Thank you so much, dude. Kangs, dude. Really appreciate it. Hey, no more ETC these days, right? Thank you, man. Okay, so wheel spin. You know, we can. I know it's one of those days, right? Where we put the work in all week, you know, and then it's Friday now, and I understand. And I didn't even drink last night on Patreon night. I gotta find the wheel, dude. There's definitely stuff I have to do to get it, but I'm gonna try to, while I'm doing this, slowly but surely, Logan, try to continue the analysis where, you know, 14,200, if this all stays true, that would be your target. You've got, think about it, man, you got the 1618 from your August high, right? That's the heat pattern completion zone of the bearish deep crab, or not deep crab, just the crab pattern, bearish crab pattern. Even in your short term, from your high from October 27th to the low point, I think that's a 1618. You know, 14.2 would kind of be where it would be headed if it's gonna catch some bids, and it certainly looks like right now it's wanting higher prices. I mean, bears have done everything they could, and it's outperforming. The stock market selling off, tech that's getting wrecked, and we knew back before PayPal and Square news-driven catalysts, we knew that Bitcoin was synced up almost perfectly with all those tech stocks, the QQQ, and it is certainly decoupled since that October 8th announcement from Square, and then the October, I don't even know, what was it, 20-something, 19th. Yeah, I think it was the 19th when PayPal did it. So it's up 30-ish% since then, since the 8th, but yeah, this parabolic run is to continue. Then yeah, that's the 14.2 is the target. But I mean, my God, who knows where it could go? Because you just know the context here is above 13,868 on the monthly, the weekly, the 4-hour, the quarterly, the 3-month candle. There's just really nothing looking left, man. There's just nothing here. You know, swing highs up at like 17.1, maybe even you could argue 16.2. The 78% retrace, 16,000, 30. Here's something that's interesting, okay? Then it may not mean crap because this isn't really how you use Fibonacci. You don't use it for support resistance, really. It's just kind of your gauge of where value is. From your all-time high, December 2017, all the way to 3150, okay, your low. We have our major Fibonacci there. So, you know, we reversed majorly at the golden retrace in June, but now we're back at it. Right? We did reverse, and it spent forever below it, and now we're back at it. But something that's crazy right now, if you zoom in with the microscope, the magnifying glass here, for the first time in the history of Bitcoin on those fib nodes, you broke it, you're back, just back tested it, and now you're back testing again. You're getting a break hook and go off the golden retrace, man. That would be legendary, dude. And be like, who's doing this, man? Who is, you know, that area that is so critical that we got to reverse. I mean, remember the stream back here, 43,000 views, almost 4,000 people watching, the most euphoric day of my tenure as a streamer, and we reversed there. I mean, that was in the thumbnail. And so that's how significant it is, and how we're back testing at support. I think that's phenomenal. Okay, so we'll see how it goes, man. Stocks had a kind of nice rally at the end of the day. I don't know if it mattered much. I gotta do something about this wheel. Crap, man. What's this guy? Is gonna make me log in to Twitch, man? God, see, this is the disruptive stuff. When I have to do that, I gotta go in and look for my passwords and authenticators and stuff like that. It's just give me a sec, man. Okay. I'll try to get one of these spins in, but let's you know, Bitcoin's doing great, altcoin's doing terrible, right? And why, we know, right? You should go to Bitcoin dominance, okay? Bitcoin.d. It had that breakout of that congestion area we talked about, right? And forgive me, for some reason on this computer, TradingView is not good. Like, it lags when I look for things. So give me a sec. Look as it climbs, continues to just methodically march on up. Let's go to the daily. I'm trying to get the daily in. Spin. Right, where the congestion area between 60 and 62%, right here, this is how I had it plotted. I don't just delete it, but right here, anytime you get above that, chances are you have huge runs, and that's exactly what's happened. It even spent a little time back testing that congestion's top, right, congestion area top, I mean, May 2017. Right, as support before running higher, and it just keeps going, man. And the next resistance you'd think would be the down sloping resistance, descending broadening wedge, whatever. That could give us a partial decline. You could get a confirmed partial decline if you rally and you test 65 to 66% total market cap dominance for Bitcoin. Okay, there's a gap fill even at 66%, so that's another viable area where you think Bitcoin.D could run to, and that is what's killing these altcoins, because you're not getting new money entering the market. Well, if you are, it's all going into Bitcoin, right? And maybe and we would have to look at total for that. I don't think total's moving up too much. Just give it a sec. I'm gonna have to create like a watch list for spaceship streams, so I could, because like you can click on your watch list, no problem. But man, you try to use this little search engine, it's terrible. As you can see, there's not much movement on total. So what does that tell you? The only thing that's happening, if Bitcoin dominance is going up, total market cap is sitting sideways. That means money is flooding out of altcoins, going directly into Bitcoin. That's all that it is, cause and effect. That's how you can gauge what's happening on the markets. So maybe beautiful. I don't know. Could be terrible for your altcoins, but this is where Bitcoin is ruling the day, bucking, outperforming all index funds, outperforming gold, silver, copper, sugar, coffee, you name it, dude. Outperforming everything. Okay, so 2 seconds. Trying to provide some value while juggling with all this stuff. Blah. Give me. I know my audio has to be a little quiet. You probably have to turn me up some, but hopefully you can hear me very well compared to the audio on the music. That's. Give me a sec. All this for a wheel spin, and Logan, this better be a chug, or you're screwed, dude. Okay. All right, we got in. Let's go to the widgets. Go to the wheel. God. All right, I think I have the wheel on. Probably don't. Never mind. Oh, I do. That doesn't work. Now I have to look through. There's wheel. Okay, here's your wheel. Let's see. All right, this is what we got. There you go, Logan. This is for you, man. If it doesn't land on chug, you're screwed. Oh my God! Unbelievable. 5% chance, right? First wheel spin, just like gets it. Just like, oh, no big deal, dude. Unbelievable. Well, Clay, if you're watching, man, I don't know if you are. Sorry, dude. This is not how it's supposed to go, the stream. Okay, we're supposed to know we shift on over to the stock market, like the Dow Jones, and we look at it. But yeah, sometimes we play a game where they can get me wrecked with alcohol. You know, it just happens. Yeah, very, very bad stuff. I don't know. You did bounce off the 200-day moving average. It's your first test of the 200-day moving average since July 31st. That's a very big area. If you break that, man, you're in trouble. What's scary to me is the congestion area, right? You're below all the critical support resistances, okay? You're below. But hey, maybe on the daily, you painted what could be considered some sort of hammer. Smoking a little hopium here, right? You got, no help on the oscillators. They're not implying anything. You're making a lower low and higher levels of negative momentum, lower levels of relative strength. So just bearish convergence. So, but I'm just worried. But it's not always about the breakout, right? Where we did break out today, technically, right? That 26.6 is not always. It is not about the breakout itself. It is always about the fall through price action that you receive after the breakout. So, hey, Monday comes in, we start pumping, we get back above, these critical areas. All right, no problem. But man, we did close the day, the week, the month below those areas, which is kind of scary.
The wheel is out for losing.
Oh my God, look out!
88.88 USDC.
Cheers, Clay. Wow, man, shouting out my buddy. Who may or may not be watching. That's what he said. So he'll try to tune in, but again, I don't know. Okay, yeah, you want another wheel spin? Look, dude, thank you for the $88 and 88.88888 cents or patrons must drink now. But yeah, I owe that chug. I owe the chug. Okay, just trying to get these analyses out of the way, just so people are, you know, they get what they come here for, right? I don't think most people are coming here for the chugs. Some are. But people want to see what happened on the stock market today, which was kind of scary. I mean, Dow Jones is only down 0.59% to close the day because of that nice rally at the end. I mean, we're talking the last 5 minutes, man. You got huge price action. So, really quick, we'll just look at the S&P, SPX.
Belushi.
Oh my God! What's up, Sir Fishing? Thanks for the 25, dude. I really appreciate it. Thank you, man. Yeah, Belushis don't exist. Just to be transparent, Belushis they're not real in the spaceship. But I'll spin the wheel for you in lieu of that, alright? S&P is super scary too, right? Where you double topped. It was an 886. It was also a bearish harmonic pattern, a bear shark that never had, you know, there were just not enough bids, not enough demand to make it reverse at a 50%. Okay, so it could be something far greater, far worse. So you never even tested 32.13. If you break 32.13, you're probably going to $3,000. You're gonna be a $200 drop, and it could be fast, man. All right, so this one didn't look as good. Yeah, I mean, it could bounce here, and you could be in a range. But, dude, breaking that could be terrible. You have not tested the 200-day moving average like the Dow Jones has now. That's 31.30. Could be a long way down, man. So you just got to pay attention. I mean, of course, if you're not paying attention to the markets right now, you never will, because this is the time for when all the crashes, like the most famous crashes, all are going on this time in history, right? Except now COVID crash, which was in February, March, but that was kind of like a 1987 crash. But hey, look, now we've one high on the weekly. Now we're making a second high, slightly higher high, and locally it's the double top. So you just know the neckline measure move is going to bring you down lower than 3,000. I wouldn't even need to post the measure move, because that's where you're headed if you break 3,200, 3,000. Okay. The NASDAQ composite. Let me spin real quick too while we're switching to the other index fund. Nice. Close. Very, very close. My God, dude. Scary. NASDAQ composite, man. Hold on. Let's have this updated. 78% retrace from the low to high. So 786. You're making a higher low. You are outperforming the Dow Jones and the S&P, right? In performance, where you're not retracing as deep. You got one support at 10,800. If you don't hold that, man, you got the local low that was manufactured for the first time ever, September 23rd. If you don't hold that, you got 10,200. It's not very strong. And then you got, of course, 9,800. So this, to me, man, that means double top stuff. Like one high, a second high, 886. You gotta love the XABCD. That all like was there, right? I mean, we got the 4 hour. It's all plotted, right? XABC, the bear shark. It never filled that gap though, man. There was a gap at 12,046. You just you couldn't muster the demand to get there. But man, what a close. What a little close. Barely a little bullish hammer, but no help on the oscillators. Nothing implying reversal of the upside majorly soon. You know, like we got here. We had clear indication from the market that a reversal was happening. We had some wonderful trades based off this momentum shift, right? Where sellers were just getting weaker, more and more exhausted, and we had a nice attempted rally only to get the deepest retrace, the 886, and it seems like short sellers perceive value. That's what we do. That's what Fibonacci is. 88% retrace, 88% sale for shorts. And look what's happened since then. So again, you're not making a lower low yet, but it certainly does look scary where we just closed the monthly, man, with some follow-through price action from the previous month that we had discussed. And that is your dark cloud cover, super far away from that parabolic run. NASDAQ, same thing with the QQQ. NASDAQ 100 tech, mega cap. So a long way down. If you ever want to test that demand line again at 86.30, this is a very significant bearish reversal Japanese candlestick. Okay, it's 1 month large. Each candle represents 1 month. Okay, so you just please be cognizant of that. I hope it outperforms, man. I hope, like, oh man, you know, we know for a fact, right? In bullish conditions, bearish indicators, bearish patterns are far less reliable, and they are far less, and oftentimes they can fail just completely. So, hey, praying for that, for my retirement, your parents' retirements, the entire world, right, that participates. But, you know, I don't know how much praying can help us if that pattern actually truly plays out, and we start getting really bad earnings for the non-tech companies, right? Okay. So what happened, man? Are we good? Did I keep up? Need to... Yeah, you're lucky, Logan. I only have 1 beer left, I think, and I've got like 1 shot of whiskey. But hey, at least I'll be going loosey-goosey to see Clay in a little bit. Still got time here. All right, let me get this. Was it chugged? It was. It was rigged, dude. Rigged chug. Yeah. And before anyone says it's a rigged wheel. Okay. So, the index funds, Bitcoin, we can look at let's look at the GLD. I don't even know. I think my work might have gotten wrecked. Now we can look at XAU too, but I really like the GLD, where it was. See, none of my work saved, man. It's so stupid. God, dude, I can't catch a freaking break here. Let me go replot these, okay? Just give me a sec. All back here, man. Steel wall support for the first time ever, okay? Talking 2011, 2012. Or this is all 2012. So between 173.81 and 175.82 is an extremely strong support, you would think, right?
Hi, Mitch. Finally Friday.
Oh, I love this, man. I love this on gold. It's you know what spot price is doing, or yeah, XAU to US dollar. It's showing a beautiful textbook bullish cipher. This isn't so much. I mean, because the top is too perfect, but it is an X. Well, I mean, this is the way I have it plotted on XAU, okay? I want you to just think about this for a second, man. This is almost identical. Wow. And we could go either one because it's the same high. So you go either one. It's a bullish cipher. Yeah, 1272. Yeah, man. Bullish cipher hitting the PCZ, pattern completion zone. And the pattern completion zone happens to be what? The critical ice lines from history, man. Right? The strong support. It's never been support before, ever, okay, in history. And now it is acting as support. So this could very well be a great area if one already owns gold. I know a lot of y'all do. If one owns gold, this could be an area where one could add to their positions after a 3-month long correction on gold, where, I don't know, I mean, how is gold going to dump with what's going on? What the Fed has done to the US dollar, right? What? So if anything, right, say it falls below 173.80, then you're out. You want nothing to do with gold because it's broken critical technical supports. Okay, that's what stop losses are for. We don't know if it's going to actually play out here, but we certainly know this could be a very good entry area, right? For sure, dudes. You stop out below it, okay, no big deal, but the upside potential could be great. Hello, Bueller? Anyone? $100 more likes. Yeah, if you're enjoying Bitcoin price action, maybe gold setting up for higher prices at these levels. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub, man. Okay, it's not a joke. You're being warned on gold right now, and right, you see what I'm saying? The upside could take you all the way to 182 and then beyond, man. The breakout of the correction, dude. You've been correct. 3 months, man. 3 months of a correction and an uptrend is pretty normal. Pretty freaking normal. So, all right, what is it? We're acquiring positions in gold. All right, we're gonna lock in. All right, we got him, man. All right, we've acquired more gold. See what happens. Finish up this coffee. Gonna get the mug. We're gonna chug.
Bounty hunters. We don't need that scum.
What's up, Mr. Wynn? Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome. Yeah, hit that sub button if you're out there, man. Yeah, man. Okay. Silver. Can't remember. None of my work saved, so I don't know what this chart's gonna look like on SLV. It's screwed. Yeah, none of my work saved, so it's all good. It's just a downtrend. It's like a nice downsloping channel. I think it's a similar situation. You know, you could say it's a cipher. I don't know if it's as clear as day as gold. Gold is so like screaming at you, like, "Hello, buy me, buy me." And we can anchor it that way. 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. You know, okay. At the 200, let's see. Yeah, I don't really, I mean, there is some, oh yeah, silver was the one where it's just like, there's just stupid support resistance like all over the place, right? Here's a big one right there. This goes back to 2009 and 10, okay? And you never tested those areas, but man, it's just like, which one do I apply? You know, this one or all of them, I guess, at this point, right? Yeah, that's like, you gotta do all of them. That's one too, this is one, you know, so did it backtest that, okay, so look what's happening on that. So we've got ourselves, interesting here, chat, very interesting. You got a spring, and we're back testing the spring. We did that yesterday. And you could do the same thing with a cipher here. Yeah, either one, doesn't matter, they're the same high. And you got this. Oh, this one never made the 786 though. But why would we not be able to get to a 78% retrace the pattern completion zone of the structure? Well, because overwhelming support looking left. So, whatever, dude. It could, the spring, the back test, the spring, this could be the reversal you're looking for. Silver was up 1.29% today, while tech stocks got destroyed. Man. I mean, what we want to start it with, man? You want to start with, let's go to Twitter, dude. Twitter down 21.5%. S&P 500, obvious top loser, worst loser today. Killed, dude. But man, it was such a good run. It was so spectacular. There was a huge harmonic pattern, 78% retrace. Remember the rising wedge here? It just kept going, man. It just kept going, and you know, really, it had broken out. It had made a technical. Actually, didn't make that. It never made the breakout. Nope. Like the 53.53 area was it, man. You know, 53 to 55. It could have mooned, but like, hey, earnings were bad. You know, they're losing people, right? They're losing users for good reason. This is what happens when you become a political hack. When you're supposed to be like, you know, just an unbiased medium for people to exchange ideas and thoughts. You start censoring people that you know, people at the top have problems with. This is going to happen, Larry. Okay, so huge dump. I guess still back inside the mega channel, right? 1 and 2 on the bottom, and then 3 and 4 and 5 on the top. So you can see, look, the 200 moving average, 39.57. This could see lower prices for a while, sideways. You're not even oversold, dude. You're at 35. So yeah, more selling could happen if tech keeps selling off, man. Imagine. Whew. Yeah, Twitter it's just killed it. But you know, you look at Amazon, you look at Google. Well, not Google actually was up today because it was up like 9% after hours, but so it gave up 6% from its earnings pop. I just change this around. You know, the Momo shift, it ran up, couldn't even hit the gap fill. All right, we saw that earlier on the index funds, but of course, Amazon is the market driver. It is like one of the heaviest weighters of the entire market for index funds. So yeah, man, not really good. Double topping. If you look daily, 4 hour, you know, you think eventually this could see 29.23 to test just this new range from July 25th or July 15th, July 23rd, September 18th. That's where you could be headed. Hopefully you can catch some bids there, but as it stands out, maybe you show bullish divergence, you get a pivot. Anywhere, I guess 29.20 you could still get it, but you could be working on hit or classic bullish divergence on the MACD. But we're smoking hopium right now until like we gain more data. Nasty bearish Bazoo on the 4 hour after we gap down, and then literally no bids the last few hours of trading. Terrible, not good. Lower highs, not. You know what happens when you make a lower high? That's when you start creating trend lines. You say, all right. So until Amazon breaks above this supply line now, you're in a downtrend, right? And then you have to break the previous high and the one after it. So you are now in a, you could be saying we're maybe somehow in a short-term downtrend until that breaks. Sure. Long-term uptrend, of course. Mid-term is starting to become a downtrend too. So anyway, you know, and look what happened. You had this really, really beautiful channel. You fell out of it, you ran up, you could never get back, and you could obviously never go back in it, and you're just going sideways now. So let's see what happens, man. Election's coming up, Tuesday. Anyway, we just keep going. PayPal got wrecked today, Visa got wrecked today, so many names got wrecked today. Defensive stocks kind of held in there better than than these tech plays. So what's going on? Coinbase has got this new Visa card coming out. I put myself up on the wait list. 4% back, if on purchases. That my Bank of America card, I think it's only like 2 to 3% back. So I'd like, maybe it's only gonna last for a little while. I'll use it until those rewards fall to like 3 to 2%. I don't know. I gotta look into what does it mean, dude, to get 4% back. Does that mean you get 4% back cash, or do they have to give me Ethereum Classic or some trash coin that's it's gonna depreciate? So while the asset's depreciating, I'm getting these rewards. It's like almost like a break even. It's like no point. If maybe I get Bitcoin or something, or just cash, I'd love it. So we'll see. I don't think there's enough data out yet. Maybe y'all know, or y'all research that a little bit more than me. I don't know. So okay, I'm going to go get the beer, the mug, and then soon we shall chug. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin just for a little bit. Sitting 13,584. Really trying to wanted to engulf earlier. Man, the ease of movement, we were talking about it last night. The ease of movement on the Bitcoin price action is so bullish. Ease of movement's up, not down really. And the parabola line is holding true for now. If you make a low on price, you rally and you sell off only to make a higher low, only to hold 13,200 that was once resistance became support for the first time in history just today. That's something I didn't talk about. Look, resistance, October 21st. Resistance, October 22nd. Resistance, up thrusts, fails, October 24th and 25th. 26th, resistance. All kinds of chop, Rudy Poo, nothing. Tried to hold on, couldn't hold October 29th. But look, today, man, you sold off. Traders never settled up below it. You've held it was almost tweezer bottom. Reversal stuff right here. And look, what are you talking about, right? What is that? It's July of 2019. What was once resistance is now, for the first time in history, being regarded as support, right? That's a good thing, despite how high it is, right? Yeah, no value on Bitcoin. The run's been insane, right? We haven't had a retrace, but that could be the beautiful aspect of mathematics, where, hey, there's just not enough supply, and or there's too much demand for this thing. That's why the acceleration of accumulation is there. That's why I have this curved line drawn for you, so to show that. And here's to boot, the hidden bullish divergence continued, man, and now we're seeing positive momentum. So the bulls have the ball again. And, oh yeah, and I guess I don't know why this isn't saved. Hidden bullish divergence appeared on the RSI. But, it was doing that on Ethereum and these altcoins, man. They just can't catch a bid. No one wants it. Everyone cares about Bitcoin right now. It's just the meta, something changed.
I was tempted to give you a big etc. Anyway, good call on GLD. Cheers. Did you try that TX blended I bought for you yet? I'm telling you, I bet Clay knows about it.
TX blended. Oh, you talking about the whiskey? No, I have not made that purchased yet, right? You're talking about the alcohol. No, not yet. I'll have to pick some up very soon, dude. Thank you for the 1776 American contribution. Thanks, sir. We're in space, man. We still love America. All right, just because we're, you know, many light years away from planet Earth and the United States of America doesn't mean we don't represent it well out here, okay? Thanks, dude. So all the TA, man, it's like impending price action, continuation of the upside, at least maybe to run up to test. See, here's the thing. No matter what, you want to go up to test 13,868 to at least double top, right? To confirm, right? You always want those confirmation highs if you're someone who's skeptical of this run and you think it's going to end soon. Get that confirmation. But it could break that confirmation and see a couple $100 higher to stop out people. But we know it's golden mean ratios, it's 1618, it's all across the board, man. 14.1, 14.2 is kind of the confluence hidden area where there could be sell orders. That's it, dude. Okay. For a swing trader, me showing order books is Rudy poo. It doesn't matter for a swing trader. Okay, so why would I show that as a swing trader? I'm not a day trader, so or a scalper. I'm not that. Okay, I'll be right back. Enjoy sights and sounds of technical analysis. Let's go Bitcoin. Will we moon? Will we rise? On a weekend where we have one day until the monthly closes. If you close the monthly above 13,868, highest level where traders settled up in the history of Bitcoin, including December 2017, the great FOMO, man. All right, hang tight.
Take a look at this. The three rising values failed and has made a nice comeback. With tech selling off, it has performed well. Curious how to size it up from here. Thanks, clinking beer mugs. Is XRP still alive? Where did the troll army go? Hi JMO. Spin please insert hype in the chat.
Oh my god, dude. Thanks, Lucky Lurker. Thank you, Concerned Citizen. XRP Army. Oh, I don't know, dude. I think they frequent Alex Cobb's stream still, right? They're still there. They're still hoping. They're still praying for XRP to overtake Bitcoin or something. Ari, I don't know, man. Kind of dead to me at this point, you know. It's been dead for a while, though. You know, that was like a trade setup, and it just didn't play out. Sorry about the mic being muted there. Okay. Who's talking about buying at this level? Dude, that guy, who are you, dude? Like, I love these people that have never been in the community before. And they just come in, they're like the most opinionated person I've ever seen. They like, every other sentence is from that person. It's like, I mean, no one's talking about like buying right now on Bitcoin. What are you, high? Like, you're just talking to yourself, dude. Anyway, so let me chug this, okay? Give me a second. You ask about order books, dude. It's like, yeah, dude. That's, you know how people can spoof order books extremely easily all the time. They do it all the time. It really doesn't matter to someone who swing trades. The order books, oh, there's $10 million sell wall. It just disappears. It can just go away. It doesn't do anything. You can literally get psyched out by an order book. There's no point for swing trading. Good Lord, man. I don't know. People just it's Friday, right? It's Friday. Bitcoin's outperforming all index funds, gold, silver, everything. And it's people, there's just always people that have problems, man. Like, imagine, like, what are you doing? Oh, if you're making so much money, man, like, why are you even here? Just keep doing your thing, man. Start your own stream. That's what you should do. Oh, spin, yeah. All right, let's a big one's in a parabolic run. There's no value here, but it doesn't mean it can't keep going. That's the curve line tool. As long as that. Oh, this wheel was on Logan wrecked first. That's funny. Get wrecked, dude. Sorry, patrons. Nope. Nice try, Logan. Not only can the sell walls disappear, they usually do, yeah, and or buy walls. It's just, it doesn't help you. It's just algorithms. It can be bots. It's so unreliable. Like, it's extremely unreliable to use sell walls and buy walls for swing trading. All right, what's up? We can do this. Yeah, let's prepare for hyperdrive. Right, we haven't really done that yet, have we? All right, here we go, chat. Perfect. So we chug while we're going. Speed of light, or near it, or faster than it may be. Okay. I'm not sure how it works. This is gonna suck, because I haven't spent much time priming this. Oh, by the way, I'm shadow banned again. I checked while I was getting the mug. I am shadow banned of effing course, right? And I wasn't shadow banned to get debated enough to start this stream. So I just need help, I guess. Like, people telling me I'm shadow banned, like Brad or a mod or something, like in Discord. Yeah, I know, dude. I know. And see, I didn't even see that. You said 10 minutes ago. Yeah. It's so weird, dude. It's like no point anymore, right? I've already been live about an hour, so we're just going to keep it going, man, and chalk it up to F you, YouTube, you trash platform. Oh, we could do yeah, we could do critical areas. That's right. We could do that while I could chug. Whoa, super laggy. Huh. Oops. Why? Those were just on. Sorry. Okay. I will chug before the song ends, okay? When it starts, I'll start chugging, and before it ends, I'll be done, okay? See how this goes, dude. See how it goes. It's so dumb. Oh, thanks for the chug, dude. Okay. Alright, we're good. Let's, oh my god, so much air. Anyway. We kangs, man. We kangs. So yeah, dude, I mean, I don't know, man. We covered the index funds, covered Bitcoin on the monthly, you know. We'll be here live. We will be here on Halloween, All Hallows Eve, with the full moon, the blue full moon, watching Bitcoin close at its second to maybe first highest level of all time. Okay. Do some of this for the edit? Dang, dude. What about all the other space streams that I've done in the past that were far greater than this one? Much better. Hey, Flash, I'm glad you liked it, man. Yeah. It's the little things, right? You keep coming back. It's the little things, right? The black and white, the overlays, just those cool. A little late to be asking about investing in Bitcoin. It's not even called investing. When you buy Bitcoin, you are not an investor. You are certainly still
Logan took
a speculator.
$34.10. Please, flying under the influence does not exist in space yet. You're safe. 0.08888889 ETH.
That could have been fake news. I don't know, man. Here's the wheel. Dude, I'm not in the same solar system. Get wrecked, Logan. There's no way. There's no way another chug will hit, okay? No way. Thanks at 3410, though. I do appreciate that, man. Bitcoin will end fiat? Alright, man. Well, it's yet to happen. Hasn't happened yet. Oh, I got you. What you can do? Yeah, I know, Wayne. It's like, you want to look for the black and white thumbnail with space that says Bitcoin Live in like Star Wars. I always try to make all of them besides this one it. And if you hadn't seen the thumbnail, man, wow, Chalin killed it. I really wanted him to go all in on this one for reasons, because yeah, people are, you know, there's a mutiny going on evidently. Well, people just want to see more winners of Meme of the Month besides Wayne Batson and Black Plasma, because they're just phenomenally talented and they monopolize it. But look, this is the thumbnail, dude. Okay, let me see if I can get a chart screen. Hold on, crap. Excuse me. What the heck, dude? So you got, that's pretty good right there. Yeah, you got Jerome Powell's the Dark Lords. Oh my God!
Chug.
No way, dude. No way. You wish, Chug, dude. You wish. Watch this. I'm gonna show you. Nope. Sorry. Chuggy Chug Face. Get wrecked, dude. Boom. So yeah, you got Jerome Powell, this lightning, and the money printer, and you got Jack Dorsey. It's Emperor Jack Dizori, whatever. It's like Zizor and Jack Dorsey combined. You got Darth Probst, you know, Bitcoin Vader, I guess, and you Twitter down so much today, and you got, hey, it's Bradford and Baby Yoda and me, all right, and the Gartley XL, the spaceship I'm in right now is this. This is my spaceship. Okay, so yeah, dude, very good. Thanks so much, Chili Ben, putting in all that hard work. All right. The Fed Pyre, yeah, Shadows of the Fed Pyre, exactly. So that's it, really? That was your wheel, Logan? That was your attempt? Your attempt to get me wrecked? I know, man. You started it, you couldn't finish it, huh? That's okay, dude. It's okay. So we're back 13,600 and change, just near the parabola line's demand line. The parabola's demand line, whatever. And it's definitely based on the oscillators, right? If not stupid scrub, it looks like an easy short. The arrogance involved with that when it's showing, like the technicals on the 4 hour are showing an implied continuation to the upside. When your demand line's holding, when you're back testing a ancient 618 ass support for the first time ever, and you're just now going positive on momentum. It is so arrogant to try to say easy short. I mean, that's what people that lose a lot of money say, okay? Like, look at the order books. None of that matters. Like, what does matter are the 3 month, the monthly, the weekly, all looking unbelievably bullish. The best asset that exists right now on technicals. And you now have the 4 hour that is also lining up with those significant time scales. And though it is high, it is implied that it could go higher. It ends, the monthly ends tomorrow, like 24 hours, 25 hours or so, okay? The beard changes. What? Yeah, dude, so just don't be surprised if we get price action this weekend going into the close of the monthly. With what's being told, the story's being told by the charts, right? We look at the charts for evidence. We don't look at order books and just random stuff that doesn't matter, okay? We use technical analysis to present an argument. And our argument is rather strong right now, okay? For upside. But it's a game of probabilities. Also, at the same time, doesn't mean go all in. Doesn't mean anything. There's no value here. That's true, right? But, pretty easy to determine if at this point, a break below 13.2 you're done with Bitcoin on a short-term scale, right? You break 13.2, good chance you'll eventually see 12.7 and 12.3 again, okay? So, yeah, man. Yeah, we go to Ethereum. Yeah, it's not really great, man. It's okay. I like it. It's XABCD stuff. It does look like some sort of bullish harmonics going on. Let's just see what it is. Oh my God, it could be a Gartley. Oh my God, chat. Look at what's happening on Ethereum, and look, the momentum, the bullish divergence. Now, classic bullish divergence is going on. This is it, man. This is implying it's time. This is like, you know what this is saying on the 4 hour and like on the structure and the oscillator. This is next. Okay, that is being implied right now by the chart. You bounced off the 200 moving average. You're at the 78% retrace and you're 1414 fib extension. Or B to C. This is it, man. This is it for Ethereum. If you're out there and you're listening, breaking news: PCZ of a bullish Gartley in an uptrend, making higher lows than your previous lows and showing very clear, concise bullish divergence. That's it, man. Targets from here. Your targets, very simple, right? The KC stubs, C, 410, and 419, 420. Well, there you go, man. Wow. There's your Ethereum bullish Gartley. Local bullish Gartley, undeniable right now, okay? Undeniable. Undeniable. My God, man. There you go. Here's your value for the day. Okay. Much easier. It looks a lot easier of a trade to take than Bitcoin, just based on the fact Bitcoin just keeps going up, right? It's not. This sold off. This had a really nice retrace. Really nice one. So classic divergence. PCZ Garley. 200 moving average. Higher lows than previous lows. Continuing. This is it, man. This is it. So let's see what happens. Pray for Bitcoin. Pray for Ethereum. This is it, man. Good God. But this is a trade that's already going on. This is literally a trade already going on.
We don't need that scum.
Can we please have a look at Hex?
Sure. Hey, Herbert, man, thanks for the $20 Australian super chat. Yeah, we'll look at X. Yeah, Hex, dude. Hex, I don't know if my work saved on that one. I think it did. Let's see. Hex mooning. Well, remember, it broke out, and then we have measured move for the breakout, too, assuming the work is still there. About to find out. Give me 3 hours. Wow, yeah, it's gone, dude. There's nothing left. TA is done. It's done, dude.
Always enjoying the chat and live sessions. Great work. Could you check link, please?
So Radish, man. Thanks, dude. Yeah, we'll look at it. Thanks, man. Yeah, Hex is gone, right? The triangle, the breakout of the mega range, and now exceeding that. The next target on Hex, if it's going to keep going, is 1.3 cents. The 2618 fib extension. From the high point of the structure to the lowest point, 2618, 261.8% retrace from that high. So that's 1.3 cents the target if it keeps going here, okay? It's really hard to say. No divergence, really. It just looks stupid strong right now on the 4 hour. No value, certainly. You're going to bullishly engulf somehow, too, today. There's no bearish divergence, but you're extremely overbought. You're sitting at 88.7. Logan's got to love that on the RSI, on the daily. That's stupid. Yeah, your next target is 2618, 1.3 cents. And if you ever broke that, man, you're looking at 3618 at 1.79 cents. Okay? It is gone, and it all started kind of with, well, I mean, some very, very powerful bullish divergence on the daily at the bottom of a range, right below it, and then an ascending triangle continuation. Targets it, you broke out, and you mooned, and it's good. This is great. This is crazy. It's actually doing a lot of stuff right now. So there you go, man. Hex, very good. Keep pumping, dude. Technical breakouts. Okay, so your 3 rising valleys now turning into, well, there's like that. It's not really that clear of bullish divergence because of the histogram on it, but it kind of reminds me a little bit of like Ethereum. A little bit like Ethereum. It didn't go deep enough, I don't think, right? If it did, we could be golden here, right? See, it's a 54% retrace. It's not as good as Ethereum. Okay, yeah, 786. Is down there anyway, but this would be a bat anyway. This would be an 886. So the PCZ for the bat, if it was going to play out, would be down here at like $10.10 or so. So yeah, about to go green on the. You haven't seen positive memo since the 25th. So you think, yeah, that would be it, either here or down here at $10.10 or so. Okay. Yeah, the 3 rising valleys. You couldn't. It was a false breakout. It happens, man. Like, look what happens with Bitcoin dominance, and no one buys this, right? So yeah, you had a false breakout, but you just keep making higher lows. And we could plot a nice channel now, right? All right, drawing board. Things happen, Larry. But you're still the higher lows, man. What are you worried about? Everything is beautiful. Can y'all hear me, right? We good? So maybe we get that. Maybe we get the $10.10 Let's see how it goes. I know he's like 1, 2, 3. Look at that, man. It's beautiful. But it also could be rising wedge stuff. I don't know. I like the channel. As long as you hold here, that's maybe why you might not get any lower, right? Because of the demand line. If it holds that, this is clearly an area where a reversal could occur. But I don't know how it's going to, I mean, altcoins, Ethereum's like, hey man, it's time. It's definitely time on Ethereum to reverse to the upside. I mean, when I say definitely, the probability is extremely high based on the oscillators at this current time. So that means maybe altcoins could have a little run. I don't know, but like the higher lows consecutively, and now you're back at the demand line. It's pretty good, and you've already broken out of the correction. You've been in it for 2 months or so, so just get rid of that real quick so you can see a little bit clearer. Okay, you eventually, man, you have to get higher than 1331. You got to break that high for sure. Interesting. Could be a reversal point. This is definitely a pivot point. You've got the 4-hour 200 moving average and the demand line at the same spot, and you're making lower lows with lower levels of negative Momo, and it's about to go positive, so the bulls can get the ball. Okay? Okay. No graphite on the roof connect. Correct. Logan, it was... Man, I thought you were going to come out swinging, man. I was getting a little scared, but now I'm arrogantly getting very, very relaxed. Complete muscle relaxation from that water beer. Get wrecked, dude. What happened? Oh, no. Did it really end? Oh. There we go. The ambience, man. Yes, it does, Crypto Tiger. Absolutely. I have a nice HD picture of that satellite imagery. It's wonderful. Very, very cool looking. Oh, I am Logan. Waiting to hear back. He's got like 3 kids. He's been busy, right, this past decade. So, yeah, and he's just you know, monitoring his kids and stuff. So, just seem to be still good. But we've got about 15 minutes or so until I should be leaving. But so do your worst, man. I mean, you got power minutes, right? I guess. What's a water bear? That's the first I've ever heard of that. They don't think they exist, water bears.
BCR/USDM for loan needs. Can you review possible monthly twin line support, please? Thanks.
Sorry, Bernard, man. This is a rule. This is a known thing. It's been this way. If you want a trash coin that's not on my S-Coin list, it's $10 minimum. I've never heard of that in my entire life. So if I've never heard of it, dude, yeah, it's normally a $10 minimum. And this is because of precedence. This isn't me being greedy. This is like to a point where if Bitcoin starts mooning and we get like 3,000 people watching, which happens, 2,000 people watching, people will start requesting these coins insidiously. They do it to promote their trash that they're trying to get people, unsuspecting victims, to buy into. So this has happened multiple times on pump streams. So we've had to change the rules. If I've never heard of this S-Coin before, it's not on my watch list, we don't look at it, and it's $10 minimum, and that's just the way it's got to be, man. So, you know, 640, whatever it is. Sorry, man. Thanks, dude. Dude, this new iPhone is so nice, man. Yeah, really. It's like we probably are gonna trade it anyway, you know.
Amazing spaceship stream. Loving you by EXL. Cheers.
Hey, Data Rider, thanks for the 7860. The wow, that's the deep retrace contribution. Very cool. Oh man, it's bugging out again. Hold on. You know what happens sometimes when you look at these assets with high divisibility and this many zeros? It screws up TradingView. So let me refresh real quick. Yeah, I should. Medicine. I just keep forgetting. Right? It's like, because S coins like that are the last thing on my mind when I'm ending a stream. I don't think about them, right? Ever like that. So it's just, you know. Yeah, Buster. I don't know, man. We'll see, right? Stock to flow stuff is it's very speculative, and a lot of people say it's flawed, and like we will see, right? That's why we don't consider ourselves investors in Bitcoin. We consider ourselves bettors. All right, so he's cool with me around 7:30. So boom, Logan, you buy yourself a little time. But it's whatever. We have 38 minutes to your daily candle close, which is, I don't know what the daily looks like. What is it again? Candle? Nothing. No real big deal of a candle.
Let's get a non-water bear BTC 1.618 hype chart. Yeah? Yeehaw.
Non-water beer, BTC 1.618 hype chug. Get wrecked, dude. Thank you. Can't leave it to his pages to get wrecked, dude. Ugh. Are there any planets to land on? I don't know, dude. Oh, sorry. 7:30 my time. So chug basically wrecked again. So we got that's like an hour away from my time, or sorry, an hour away. So let's just say 7:30 or 8:30 p.m. Eastern, 30 minutes after the daily candle close, Logan. Yeah, I don't know. I think Yingling's just one of those other beers where it's like heavier on the...
My bad. Here is the extra maybe for $10 minimum to check the credit. The Lonely X has years of data on that chart.
Maybe it does. Terrible marketing, terrible everything. DCR. Yeah, alright. There's probably old work I have on this crap, so just bear with us out. Bloniix Connect, dude. Come on, man. 1 year later, I'm in a spaceship, right? But look at this, dude. There we are. Well, I mean, you know, it crashed like everything, all the other S coins, and it's below, like, I mean, dude, it's not looking good so far from me immediately just looking at this first time. I guess we can plumb both below, like, both supports. That's not good. That's very bad price action. Look how you ran up and you just tested that 200 moving average on the daily as resistance twice. What the? Superman!
Logan tipped $100.88. $100 for 1 hour plus 88 cents to round it out. Spin. And at some point Miami Nights, please. Hi Julia. Hi Wayne.
Hi Julia Connect. Thanks Logan, dude, for the 188 cents to round it out. Spin. Okay, spin, but I fear that your spin is going to land on not chug, because I had foreseen it because of my Jedi abilities, right? Watch this, dude. It 100% will not land on chug this time. It is certain. No probabilities, 100% probability. See? Knew it, dude. I knew it. Sorry, dude. See, you could just gotten 150 more and you just got a coin flip, man. The coin flip would have been a better bet, dude. For, you know, that. So thank you, man. I'm just joking around, but dude, I don't know, man. Like, is it a cipher? It could be, man. Is it a cipher, dude? No, it's deeper than 1414, so not really no, you know. Plus, it's not even at the 786. If it was gonna, so, you know, $9.88, maybe it's a crazy bullish cipher. But until then, no thanks, dude. It's an S coin, and down at this level, there's no support, right? So maybe if it could spend a few weeks above 1375, it might be okay. But until then, it's trash, dude. It's awful. It's terrible, dude. Okay, terrible. Until then, it's 1196. Got to be above 1354 for a long time, for a while. You guys are making higher highs, higher lows over and over and over. And if you break, I mean, you are below this. You being below 1215 is extremely bad because if you look left, there's nothing there, dude. It's just straight line up and down until 340, 350. My God, man. Kind of scary, dude. Kind of terrible, dude. Look, Bitcoin is like, hey, we're about to close the monthly at maybe our highest level ever, or at least we know the second highest level ever. And then you got Decred, which is like pretty much at its lowest level since 2017. So that's bad, man. Very bad. It's like energy, but for crypto. You know, like ExxonMobil or Chevron, dude. But it's Decred. I don't think so, Muddy Man. I don't think so, dudes.
Hello. Spin it.
God, it's Wayne, man. It's Wayne. All right, let me. Here you go. Yeah, remember, he has to have chug in. Okay, safe. Wayne, you wrecked it. Spinner drinks.
Spin. Wheel. Chug.
Okay. Okay. All right. This one's for money now. Boom. Futile attempt. Sorry, dude. Boom. Destroyed. Both of y'all. So 13,636. So not too bad. Nearest. We're nearing the highs of the day. Ew. Anyone else get a message from some? It's just South Korean text. This guy needs to get banned. Sending scams. Probably not in our community. Mods, look this up, I guess. Look that up. If that name's in our Discord server, axe it. Bitcoin's breaking out! I wouldn't say breaking out per se, right? What's it breaking out of? You know, like, if we're looking at the daily, there's no breakout yet. 13,868 is a breakout. That's real. Spinner's drinking, Wayne. Get wrecked, dude, in a positive way. Of course, always positive, yep. Ethereum, yes. Yes. LA Wave is high, it's very... dude, it's like, yeah... I don't know, man. Like, I chose the harmonics route. It seemed much more suitable for me as a swing trader than Elliott Wave. I mean, Elliott Wave, like, harmonics give you literal pinpoint areas, right? Elliott Wave, isn't it like 3 different scenarios every single time, no matter what? And it's like, they don't even use Fibonacci per se. You know, like, I never got into Elliott Wave, man. Never did it for me. Oh my God! Let's go, dude. Ethereum setting me up for the trade, dude. Thank you, Logan, man.
Logan tipped $255.46. Coin flip to the soundtrack of Miami Nights. Harmony Funster. 0.666000000 ETH.
Well, Muddy Funstar got a shout out. Let's go, dude. All right, let me go get the Bitcoin and flip it, dude. All right, hold on. Tuesday, it's in the other room, so I'll be right back. Kingsman, thank you, dude. Wow. I've got a bad feeling about this coin flip, dudes. Bitcoin's too high in price. The force is on your side for sure. Let me get a full screen or widescreen. Sorry. Okay. Look at that jar. Whoa. Okay. The coin, dude. The B, you win. The non-B, all the circuit boards, I win. Okay? And I'm gonna do the flip and the thing, right? That was a new thing we implemented, right? Oh yeah, Miami Nights. Sorry. Alright. Yep. Ooh, got lucky. Glad I read chat, man. Some of these content creators, they don't ever read chat, dude, right? Be happy I'm shadow banned too, right? Probably, I don't know. There could be a lot more people watching, maybe. There you go, dude. There's you hear the Miami Nights, man? I can hear it, dude. We're down on the beaches, the wind blowing through our hair. And they're talking about drugs in this one, so the drugs, dude. Wait, here we go. Come on, man. Give me tails. Give me tails, never fails. Ah! Dang. You got me, dude. You got me. Crap. So all I have left's like a shot of whiskey, so we're gonna have to settle for that. All right. It might be more than one, but I think it's just one shot of whiskey. So I'm gonna have to go get that though. So just enjoy the beat. I've got time. All right, I'll be right back. Inverse Kangs. Well, Guz in the chat. Maybe bros. I don't know, dude. Depends what side of the coin you're on, right?
My prescription is the liquor.
This is it, dude. This is it. What we could do, though. This is something we could do, Logan. Alright? If you want to up the ante here, which we can. Gosh dang it, hold on. We could do up the ante. Alright, you want to keep playing this game? This is it. Alright? This is the last of it, man. And it's probably too much. Probably like way too much because I just poured the rest in the decanter connect, right? And I poured it up to this right here, this little line. I think this is like more than one shot, almost certainly, okay? So I might vomit, but what we could do, if we want to keep playing this game, because we got time, I got an hour, a little less than an hour, I could, if I lose, okay, I could at least Patreon chat or our, Alice and Nathan chat, show me at the bar chugging, okay, I could do a video of it and send it, like you do, right? So, let me just get this crap out of the way, dude. It's disgusting. Ah, God. So nasty. Ah! At least something we've learned about all this game is like, it'll be easy for me to drive, right? Because I'm never going to be over the limit, like ever, right? According to Probst's breathalyzer. So, no. Oh, terrible, dude. Just nasty, dude.
Did that taste good?
No, this is why I buy wine now to play this game. Because wine is the easiest of the three. 5 ounces of wine is better than 12 ounces of beer or 1.5 ounces of a shot of whiskey. It's the least painful. Now, maybe in the morning, it's the most painful. Too spicy. Yeah, dude, that's it, dude. Logan, you ready? You want to do that, man? Huh? You want to do that? It'd be the first remote chug of all time. Legit. It'd be the first. If we play this game, could happen, man. All right. So we're just patiently waiting. 21 minutes till your daily close. Before I go out, to at least going to the bar, hanging out with Clay. 5, 6, 7 ounces of wine. Yet Ninja Girl taught me what should be in a glass for whatever it is. Okay. Bullish triangle. There's no such thing as a bullish triangle. Triangles are the epitome of neutrality. All right. But I can understand, right? A creek. You're trying to jump a creek right now. No, don't do that, man. God. Yes, trying to break out, but it's trying. There's a time left. If you're talking about a down slipping resistance, where you got 1 and 2, no, it's there. You're trying to break it. Sure. What's the challenge? Oh, it's just the same game. Like the wheel spin challenge. You can do the coin flip again. You can do the certainty again. You could do the whatever, just the wheel spin, whatever. If it lands on it, I can, when I'm at the bar with Clay, I would chug a beer while, recording it, and it'd be the first remote chug I've ever done in the community, right? So 20 minutes, man. 20 minutes till your close. We're up 1.27%. Everything else is down. Except Zcash and Dash. They're doing all right today, believe it or not. Dash, it's $70, man. Curfew. There's a curfew on a Friday night. 2100 hours. That is, 9 p.m.? Yeah, it's like 9 p.m. That's terrible, dude. Where is that? What country do you live in? We both chug a double shot? What is chugging a double shot? What does that even mean, Logan? Chugging a double shot. Please, you must elaborate, because that doesn't make sense, man. But yeah, people will be like, all right, let's get another trend line, or let's just plot here, and it's like this. It'd probably be more like this. I think this connects, yeah. So like that. Yeah, it's a symmetrical, it's a neutral pattern, right? You're trying to break out of the upside. Sure, supply line, demand line. I don't really need this stuff. I mean, you know, I think if it's gonna go, it's gonna see 13.8 again, 13.86, 8. Okay, sounds kiki. What?
Bruh.
I don't know about that, dude. Calm down, Alfonso. I know it's Friday though, so you're okay, man. Bars close. Oh, 10 p.m. COVID only survives in conditions where fun is being had. Oh yeah, I guess that's it, man. Yeah, not tyranny or anything. Imagine living in the UK and then like police commissioners like, we will come in your house and we will arrest you when you're, you know, trying to celebrate with your family Thanksgiving. We will arrest you in your own homes. Yeah. Are you kidding me, dude? Like, that is true tyranny. It's here. They're just testing the waters to see, like, these authoritative governments are testing to see how much you're gonna take. And until the masses start standing up, they're gonna keep taking away from you everything, dude. It's so weird, man. It's like, who did they sell out to? You know, their fellow countrymen. They're just like, screw that, man. I just want power. Like, screw the people. 2 shots at once. Man, that's tough, dude. 2 shots at once, man. I mean, that, to get him to do it would be tough, right? Because, hey, we're going to drink, hang out. We reconnected a few days ago, and now we're going just to hang out, talk, shop and stuff, just whatever. So for both of us to do it, I don't know if I can speak for him, right? On if he can do it. He's a family man, 3 kids, your wife, all that. So maybe 1 chug. Would that mean like each double shots? That's quadruple shots total then. Why not just single? Why can't we do, how about, well, I mean, like, you know, then that's gonna, you know, anytime, Logan, you add someone to it, then it's almost like, oh, well, I might need to pay him so he can do it, right? He's not gonna just do it out of the goodness of his heart, right? Nor am I. I'm not gonna do it out of the goodness of my heart. I'm gonna enjoy the beer. I normally like sipping on alcohol instead of chugging, so, you know, I can't speak for him. But I can definitely speak for me. And I mean, like, hey, man, if you're talking about you want me to do a double shot at a bar, premium prices, 100% chance, are you asking? Or percentage chance, right? There's a big heart like XRP. Yeah, their team did. Big hearts. Oh, he's not. Leave him out of it, Logan. He's not going to do anything, dude. He's not going to do anything. I mean, like, maybe he'll do it when I'm there, but that's just, it's not good. It's not in good spirit to ask him when we're hanging out for the first time. Like, you know, in many years besides when we reconnected recently. So 100% chance for me. How about that? 100% chance for me. Each. I mean, the same amount. It'd probably be just standard, right? If you did the 88888, I mean, that would just be standard. I'd have to do it at the bar 100%, right? I mean, no question. Sure. That's fine. Someone needs to drink XRP. Yeah, dude. I mean, I don't know. That seems fair, right? Look, same everything. Everything's the same, right? It's like the same conditions. It would just be a static. You know, I don't like, you know, normies that don't ever have any idea what I'm doing with streaming. Like putting them in the stream and using them as a form. Like, hey, I'm taking care of chat as well as hanging out. So, I mean, like, I just do the video and I'm gonna send it to the Judge Alice and Nathan's chat, or I might send it to Patreon chat. I know you're in there, so could do both. So horrible. Yeah, it would just be 1 chug, a standard chug. All conditions are the same. Whatever, man. All right, so 13618. Oh, nice, dude. I like the 618. Well, remember, the weirdest thing ever of all time for Bitcoin is going on in the past 8 hours, okay? Where Bitcoin has broken above the golden retrace. Remember, that is where it reversed 2019. You back tested it twice as support past 8 hours, and you've not gone lower. It's kind of weird. It's kind of crazy. You're trying to break that little demand line, or sorry, that little supply line right here. The little supply line that could, man. You're not though, right? As you can clearly see, there is selling going on right there. It's trying, but not good enough, man. Not good enough. Trying to be pinpoint there. That's no breakout, dude. Trying to break out. I can't do it, man. I just can't do it. Correct. Never drink the XRP ever, dude. No. Yeah, imagine live streaming on Zoom your Thanksgiving while the government watches, because Logan or Brad, at that point they'll be watching because they need to make sure you don't say anything offensive, right? You can't. It's gonna get to a point where, hey man, you're not allowed to criticize, right? That's what they'll start taking next. Cube Spacey, there you go, man. Just as simply as we were breaking it, we're not, when we only have less than 13 minutes to go to the daily close. But that bottom trend line just happens to be the parabola, right? The demand line, the upsloping demand line. You got the supply line. So I'm just running the clock, man. I got some time before I'm going out. No big deal. Bezos drone flying around. Oh, I guess Amazon's getting a deal with the government now. Is that what's happening or something? I figure it'd be GoPro. The GoPro are the drone manufacturers, right? What a joke, though, man. What a joke. We've all been shortchanged on Bitcoin, it seems, right? Yeah, they're gonna have a problem with me streaming in outer space, man. Gonna get fined. Hex just passed Chainlink's market cap, really? Wow, that's unreal, dude. Unfreaking real. Dude, let's go Ethereum though, man. That's great. Like, really, just to revisit it for a second. My God, man. I mean, this is too perfect. This is stupid. This is like, it's not just the Gartley appearing. It's the 200 moving average, and it's the divergence that is clear as effing day, man. Please. I just need to ping patrons in the Discord 5,000 more times, man. Okay? Even though the entry for the trade was here, lower. One should still be in this after taking profit. All right? They're just not. One could add to their position at this level that is not too much further away from your entry, right? This is where one could add to their position if they're accumulating Ethereum. Wow, man. Like, Logan just made it happen for me, right? So there you go, Logan. If you were going to play the real game, Ethereum all day, man. At least for this case here, right? Or are they lying? Or is it not surpassing Link in market cap? Wolfman? I don't know, man. I mean, eventually, you know, this thing's got to catch some bids, right? It's just, you think it would, you think it could. It's just weird, man. Like, a couple privacy coins and Bitcoin, only things up today. So just remember, you were warned on this. I'm shadow banned, but the ones who could find me through the shadow ban will be rewarded. It is time for Ethereum. Okay. Logan, I mean, what has to happen, man? Like, what needs to be done, dude? Come at me, dude. What kind of game you want to play, dude? I know I'm shadow banned. 100% certainty I am shadow banned right now. Oh no, not this song's coming up. It's the terrible one. Target on Ethereum. Well, they were just plotted. You looked at, we were sitting here, man. 410, 420. Is that a joint? Is that a space joint? Yes, 410, 420. The targets for this Garley. Okay, we cool? Okay, we are cool. Bitcoin, there is no target because it hasn't done anything. It hasn't broken out. 14.2 would be the target if it ran up to test there. I mean, 13.8, of course. You might double what's out there, but you think we break that 14.15 to 14.2. Okay. I can't, man. I can't live stream from the bar, dude. Like, I'd have to bring my other phone. I'd have to do, like, all this crap, you know, that I haven't done in a while. And it's, again, like, I'm trying to, like, meet up with a buddy. And he wants to talk. He doesn't want to, like, be my sideshow, right? It's almost disrespectful in a way to bring a normie into the situation of live streaming. It's okay. I mean, we don't have to do it. It's fine, man. No big deal. So we've got 9 minutes, or 8 minutes now, until your daily close. It'd be nice to close above the creek, but a lot can happen in 8 minutes, man, especially the ease of movement for Bitcoin's the upside, right? Dude, I love this iPhone 12, man. 12 Pro. Highly recommend the 12 Pro if one has not. If one's like on the fence about upgrading their iPhones, yes. The answer is yes. Fastest phone that exists on the planet right now. Has the strongest glass, like new technology in the glass itself. So, I mean, like exponential increases in performance on drop tests. And then the cameras are like the Samsung 10s Plus now. Like they're as good, if not better. So it's all around the board. It's now like it's like definitely the phone, the best phone on the planet for now. About to sync the iPhone 12 to ship yet? No, I mean, kind of, maybe. I don't know. What would you need? What commands would I need the iPhone to do? No, I haven't. Not really. No, it's more of a chill stream. We're not getting graphically intense, though I could. I mean, it's just, I'm shadow banned, right? It's kind of like there's no hype, really. And at the same time, shadow banned. Meh, right? We saw positive Momo. We're not catching that many bids. Not breaking the downslipping resistance for now. S20, is that the new one? Better than the S10? All right, man, running out of the clock. We got 6 minutes to go. Ethereum's showing opportunity at this current level, but it's got to, there has to be demand. People have to buy it, man, right? Oh, Miami Dolph, I have no idea, dude, right? Yeah, players can be exceptional in college and be duds in the NFL, so I pray he does well. I hope he does. He has a wonderful career in the NFL. But remember, he kind of reminds me a little bit of a Johnny Manziel. More accurate than Johnny Manziel, but you know what I'm saying, right? Which didn't go very well for Johnny Manziel in the pros. But again, I think they're, you know, Johnny Manziel was doing the wrong things, you know, extracurricular activity. He was screwing around. He was just not doing it right, so not disciplined. And he paid for it in the end, right? Less than 5 minutes, man. Just run out the clock. Logan don't want to play the game, and that's okay, dude. Logan, I get it, man. You don't want to play the game. Ugh, man, the selling, not fun. It's still okay though. I mean, it really still is okay. Like an impulse up and then like narrow ranges like that, it's not bad, dude. Not really bad. Would have been preferable if a breakout, but price suppressed right now. Weekend. Can't expect too much on the weekend. 4 minutes. I know it sounds fun, man. It's just like, you know. It's just like, again, we're reconvening for the first time, really, in like a decade plus, like probably like 12, 13 years. So, anyone who gets chug, you know, it's just going to be paid back at the bar tonight. So, buy corns and pump. All right. Buying corns. 3, 2, 1. 3 minutes. And then I will be going into hyperdrive to the bar, to the intergalactic space bar, of course, where we'll probably see all the boys, man. We'll be seeing Jabba the Hutt, and we'll be seeing Boba Fett, and we'll be seeing IG-88, dude. They'll all be there at the space bar where I'm going to. So the breakout seems, well, the attempted breakout seems failed at this point, right? You tried, no thanks, dude. So sandwiched between a supply line and the ancient golden retrace on Bitcoin. That's it, dude. You're sandwiched between now. What do you do? I don't know. Indecision, right? Yeah, Bradford, we'll do that. Just based on price action. If we get some really good price action tomorrow, well, yeah, we'll do another spaceship stream, right? For sure. But if not, man, I might just... This spaceship stream was certainly pretty much for Mandalorian. You know, the release, man. A little bit of promotion for awesome, awesome show. Okay. We got 1 minute, 50 seconds till hyperdrive. Booker? Who's that? Booker? I don't know, dude. Space Talk. We got 1 minute, 20 seconds till the daily close. So what we're gonna do is go ahead, preparing for hyperdrive to the space bar. Here we go. Less than 1 minute and counting until we have a close. About 8 hours of complete and utter indecision, man. Julia, that was the, I'm pretty sure that was the ascending triangle breakout. Remember, we breached the wall. The White Walkers had breached, and it was all over. 3 blasts from the horn. Almost certain that was it. So we have 20 seconds. 19, 18. We got 10 seconds, chat. Technically engulfed, but it's not an engulfing candle. That's just indecision. More than 8 hours into effing cision, man. All right. We've done it, chat. A new day has been born. No breakout. Sorry. All right. So what I'll do is I'll be back probably tomorrow, unless something insane happens. Probably not. Thanks so much, Logan, for the fun times. I'll be back. Until next time, respect, T.A.